Now it's 8:20. Suddenly start to rain already. Here is a low pressure area. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now we are in Amco Digisit Lodge and Restaurant. Currently we are experiencing bad weather. Right now it was high tide, so you can see the beach looks beautiful. You have plenty of space for shelter. If it is a good weather, this is a perfect spot for beach wedding ceremony, hands down. I highly recommend it. We don't care it's raining. First we start with the drinks. Look at that. They already start the party. They're going very hard right now. Later we are going to swim over there. We're just waiting, warming up right now. We don't care it's raining or not. We're going to swim today. Such a quite nice place. Unfortunately today is a weekday. Nobody's there except our group. We are enjoying the whole place. Seriously beautiful. You have plenty of cottage available, and some more they have the room. Family room is cost you 8,000 pesos. It is good for 8 to 10 people. Double room was available for 2 packs, 2,000 pesos per day. There is one comfort room, your grilling area, your swimming pool on the other side. Only bad thing is the climate sucks right now. I show you the map. That is a whole map. You can pause the video to get the more information. Now we are going to check out the swimming pool. Right now they're draining the water. Maybe they will clean it. They put back the fresh water. Look at that. They're emptying the water. Right now it's 9:10. Look at the situation. Beautiful in the beach area. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. There's a cool rock formation over there. Let's do it. Look at that.
There's more talangka.
What is that?
Little crab.
Crab? You have a crab over here. Looks like this is a gateway. How about that? Such a beautiful place. Look at the rock formation. Wow, there is a lighthouse. Beautiful lighthouse. Let's zoom it out. Wow, that's nice. Later, I will go over there. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.